In other news, the 21 world leaders are all expected to attend the APEC Economic Leaders Meeting on November 18 and 19 in Manila. Meanwhile, 11 bilateral meetings are scheduled to be attended by President Benigno Aquino III on the sidelines of the APEC summit. Nel Maribojoc tells us why.
Almost 2 weeks left before the summit, which will be attended by 21 world leaders, begins in Manila. Among the world's biggest economies expected to join the APEC summit are United States, Russia, China, and Australia. According to Malacanang, they expect all leaders of the 21 member economies to attend the biggest economic event of the year.
Medyo marami na pong nakakapagkumpirma. We'll let you know eventually kung ilan talaga sila. But of course, we're expecting to host all 20. 21st si Pangulong Aquino.
Department of Foreign Affairs spokesperson Charles Jose said, only China has no confirmation yet for the coming event. According to DFA, almost 11 bilateral meetings with President Aquino are scheduled on the sidelines of the two-day summit, but Jose refused to give more details about the meetings. In connection with the preparations of the Philippines as host country of APEC Summit, Malacanang refuted allegations of critics that the relocation of homeless families living in the streets of Roxas Boulevard in Pasay City and Manila area is part of government's effort to hide them from APEC delegations.
Naipaliwanag po natin na yung modified CCT ay isang programang matagal na ginagawa ng DSWD at yung pagtulong po nila ay hindi po limited sa tuwing meron pong malaking event, ngunit nakikita po natin itong pagkakataon na simulan yung pagtulong sa kanila para makapag-transition naman po sila from the streets into dignified living quarters.
According to DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman, there is no truth to claims that the agency is giving out 4,000 pesos as rent to homeless families. Soliman reiterated that this is only part of DSWD's expanded CCT project. Malacanang calls on the cooperation and support of different sectors for the country's successful hosting of the APEC Summit. Nel Maribojoc, reporting for Y News.